Hello, year 6. Our next lesson is all about conversion graph. Okay, what is a conversion graph? First thing, I'm going to tell you first our learning objectives. After this lesson, you need to know you should be able to use a conversion graph to make calculations and draw a conversion graph using a table of values given the rate of conversion. What is conversion graphs? It is a line graph to convert one unit to another. Now let's have an example here. Okay, convert Emirati dirhams to UK pounds. Remember, this is estimate conversion. So if you can see this line, this is the one that we're going to use to convert, okay? So convert 50 pounds into dirhams. Since the given is the pound, so we have to come here, okay? And remember, when you are, if you notice here, okay, we have labeled our conversion graph. So we have here, the scale of Emirati dirhams is 50 dirhams. The scale is 50 dirhams each, okay? And the other one, the pounds, we have the scale 10 pounds. The scale is 10 pounds. Okay, that means if you count the lines of this one, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means to say if there are 5 lines, so to make 10, so this will be counting in twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. How about here? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, how many, what is the interval of each line? You will count it by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now, so let's try this one now. What is convert 50 pounds into dirhams? Remember, 50 pounds is here. So now you're going to draw a line. So let's start from up and from down, 50 pounds, and then draw the line, and then you stop. Okay? Why do we stop? Because there is already the line, the vertical line, the diagonal line, means it says stop now because we reached the line. Okay? So this is now, then you have to move there so that you can find the equivalent of pounds. So how many pounds? If we have 50 pounds, how many dirhams? Yes, we have 250 dirhams. Okay, 250 dirhams. Next, let's do another one. How many convert 175 dirhams into pounds? So since the given is dirhams, then we have to start from 175. So this is 150, 55, 6, this is by 10. 50, 60, 75. So in between 60 and 80. So it will be 70 and 80. So that will be the new go down. There you go. Stop. So this is 30, 32, 34, 35. So there is, therefore, 175 dirhams is 35 pounds. Let's move to the next. Convert 64 pounds into dirhams. So let's get this again, 64. So 62, 64, the second line. So let's go up, 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 up. Okay, and then you move. So 300, 310, 320. Okay, so PH 320. Let's move to the next. Convert 70 dirhams into pounds. So the dirhams is here. This 50, 60, 70. So this is 70. So let's move again and then stop and then go down. How many? That is 10, 12, 14. So 14 pounds. Okay, so this is how to use the conversion graph. Now let's move to the next one. Okay, this is also the conversion graph to convert miles to kilometers. Let's answer here. Use this fact to complete this number sentences. 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometers. So it is already here. Okay, so let's see where is 5 miles. 5 miles is here. 5 miles is how many? This is 8 kilometers. Okay, look over here. Now, 50 miles is equals to 80 kilometers. So that is 50 miles and 80 kilometers. Now, let's answer this one. 35 miles, how many kilometers? So let's go to 35 miles. So this is 35, 30, 35. Okay, so that's 35. And how many kilometers? So we reach that one and then you move that one. So 55, so this is 50, 55. So this is 55 kilometers. Now let's go to letter B. How many miles when we have 90 kilometers? Where is 90? It's all over here. 90 kilometers. So we will go down, which is, what is it? So it will be 56. Okay. Now 80 miles. So it will be down. So 80 miles here. And how many kilometers? So it will be 125 because this will be 110, 150, 120, 125. Okay. 110 kilometers is how many miles? So 110 is over here. And then 7. Easy? Okay. Very good. Now, let's move to the next example. Now, you can try this and then let's answer together. Okay. So, using the graph, convert 5.5 kilogram to pounds. So, check your answers if you did it correctly. So, let's move on. So, 5.5 kilogram is over here. So, because 5 and then 6, so in between is 5.5. And then, so it will be 12. Okay, it is 12. So 12 pounds. Next. 16 pounds is here. So 16 pounds is here. So let's move and down. Okay. So this will be 72. Next. 22 pounds. So where is 22 pounds? This is 22 pounds. So we move there and down. So how many? 10. Correct. Very good. So it is 10 pounds. Next, a trolley bag weighs 9.5 kilogram. Change 9.5 kilogram to pounds, where will be 99.5 kilograms. So this is 9.5 kilogram. So let's go up again. So we have to go up 9.5 and so it is 21. 21 pounds. Okay now? So this is how to convert kilograms and pounds or monetary currency using conversion graph. Now, so you have learned, you achieve how to convert miles to kilometers, kilometers to miles, kilogram to pounds by using your conversion graph. Now, this time you need to draw a conversion graph using a table of values given the rate of conversion. So we have here the minimum wage for UK UK citizens age 16 to 17 is 3.68 an hour. This table shows how much you can earn after working a certain number of hours. Put this data into conversion graph and then use your graph to answer the questions that follow. So we have here, okay, the hours work. We have 20 hours, 40 hours, 60 hours, 80 hours, 100. And they are paid 75 BD, 150, 225 BD, 300. And we are going to use, make sure when you're going to draw, you have this line, and then you're going to label. So this is 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So this is the hours work, and this is the amount in BD. Okay, now let's plot. So 20 and 75. So 20 and 75. So if you can see, this is in between. So counting this one is by 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150. So the scale is 25 dinars. And what is the scale of hours here? The scale of hour is 10. But if you will look on the line, this will be 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay? Now let's do 40 and 150. So 140 and 50. Okay? Then next is 225 and 60. So 60 and then stop here. Okay? And then 80 and 300. Then the next thing you do is you join the points, okay? Starting from 0 here. There you go. So if I started from 0, I connected the line so that I will have the line to convert. Do you understand? Now let's answer the questions here. How much do you get paid for 50 hours? So what is 50 hours in here? So it will be, okay, it will be 180. Next, 35 hours. So it will be here, okay, and 125. Okay, this is 125. Next, how many hours do you have to work to earn 200 BD? So we will read from here. So 200 BD and then down. So it will be 55 hours. Okay, how many hours you're going to work when you are paid 275? So let's go to 275 and you go down. Okay, so it will be 73 hours. Okay, so I hope you understand how to do it. Now let's try to answer one. If I will work 100 hours, what will be, how much will I get paid? Okay, so let's see our, so if I will work 100 hours, how much will I get? How much will I get? So let's move up and then so I will be paid 375. There you go. Oh, there is the answer already. Okay, so this is how to use the graph, conversion graph. So what I want you to do now, okay, so if you want to, So this is the same thing. You can see. So 90 shares will be 4,000. 175 shares is, so if I will be paid, I will pay 5,000. How many shares will I get? So 5,000, I will get 114. If I will have 6,400, I will get 147. Okay, so can you answer this one to practice? Okay, you can. Okay, so I hope you understand to do it. So can you answer this one before we are going to, I'll give you the answer. Okay, check your answers. 30 meters squared. So 30 meters squared is here. How much will I pay? So I will pay 125. Okay, I will pay 125 BD. Next, it costs 200 BD to clean this carpet. What is the area of this carpet? So 200 BD, so it will go there. So this is 10. So what is the area? This is 45, 46, 47, 48 square meter. 48 meters square. Next, a rectangular carpet has 5 meters wide and 10 meters long. What do you think we have to do? We need an area. What do we do with this one? Correct. You are going to first, because you don't have the area, you're going to solve first and find the area of the carpet. So we will multiply. So that will be 5 times 10 is 50 meter squared. So let's do now. So what is 50 meters squared? Let's go up. Okay, so it will be, so this is also 10 lines. So it will be by 5, 50, 1, 2. This is by 50 and then 10. So that will be by 5. So it will be 210. Okay, so it will cost you 210 BD. Okay, year 6, I hope you understand now how to find, how to use the conversion graph in converting units or converting money or any units that we can do. Okay, so now bye for now, year 6. I hope you understand all about conversion graph, and see you to the next lesson. Bye.